Dear students, today I welcome you all to this session number 42. In this session, we are going to discuss about close test. Now let me share PPTs with you. Okay. I again welcome you all to this session number 42. In this session, we are going to discuss about close test with exercises. Here is a passage. Before filling the answer in this passage, we must go through this passage to understand the context. The Black Death is the name of a disastrous plague that dashed out in Europe in 1348. At that dash, poor people lived in the manors of their employers. Dash was the feudal system. In dash, the poor people known as serfs usually belonged to dash their masters, the lords. The serfs usually lived dash in cramped and unhygienic environments in the lord's castles. Dash were so bad that diseases dash very quickly. Black rats, which bred very dash in such environments, ran around carrying diseases dash them. So, this passage is about the Black Death, that is about plague, which was happened in Europe in 1348. Now, let's fill the answers by applying some grammar rules, usage, and vocabulary. The Black Death is the name of a disastrous plague that dashed out in Europe in 1348. So, after the blank, here out is a preposition. So, if there is preposition, there must be a verb in the blank. So, what will be the verb? That may be definitely a phrasal verb. Phrasal verb here is a break out. So, you can fill this answer easily with the word broke, which was given in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th in the bracket. So, here the phrasal verb is broke out. ಇಲ್ಲಿ broke out ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು phrasal verb. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೋಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. At that dash, poor people lived in the manors of their employer. At that dash, at that time. So in the second blank, you should put the answer time. So poor people lived in the manors of their employers. Dash was the feudal system. So what will be the answer here? So here this will be the answer. This was the feudal system. In dash, the poor people known as serfs virtually belonged. In dash, in what? In which? Hmm? In which? So ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ which ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. So the poor people known as serfs virtually belonged dash their masters the lords. So after belonged, here is a blank, that is fifth blank. Here what you will put? So belonged to whom? To their masters. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ preposition to ಅನ್ನ fifth blank ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು fill ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Virtually belonged to their masters, the lords. The serfs usually lived dash cramped and unhygienic environments. So lived ಅಂದ್ರ ನಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಂಪ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಹೈಜೆನಿಕ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ರಾಂಪ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಹೈಜೆನಿಕ್ ಸೊ lived in cramped and unhygienic environment conditions in the Lord's castle. So dash were so bad that diseases. What were bad? So definitely the answer here is conditions were so bad. So ಏಳನೇ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So conditions were so bad that diseases dash very quickly. So disease, what happens to disease? ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ disease ಹರಡುತ್ತೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ diseases spread very quickly. Black rats which bred very dash in such environment. So what will be the answer here? So here bred very ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ very quickly. So black rats which bred very quickly in such environment. So ninth blank, in the ninth blank you have to put the answer quickly in such environments. Ran around carrying diseases dash them. So ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು on. So you can put the 10th blank with the answer on. So let's go through this answer. The Black Death is the name of a disastrous plague that broke out in Europe in 1348. At that time, poor people lived in the manors of their employers. This was the feudal system in which the poor people known as serfs virtually belonged to their masters, the lords. The serfs usually lived in cramped and unhygienic environments in the lords' castles. Conditions were so bad that diseases spread very quickly. Black rats, which bred very quickly in such environments, ran around carrying disease on them. Now, let's discuss about this second passage. As I told you, before going through this passage to fill the answers, we must read this passage and understand the context. The next time you come, dash up the shower, be careful to dry thoroughly the areas, dash your toes before you put dash your socks or shoes. Otherwise, fungi might grow on your feet and dash itchy blisters to appear. This is dash fungi grow best in warm dash moist surroundings. This disease is known as athlete's foot. Dash it often affects people dash exercise regularly and do not dash care of their personal hygiene. The fungi can dash to the soles of your dash if you are not careful. They can even spread the other dash of your body if you scratch the blisters. So the context here is that this is about growth of fungi in warm and moist surroundings. And also this is about the disease called athlete's foot. So let's fill the answer here. The next time you come, dash up the shower. So come ಆದ ನಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾದ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 2 3 4 ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಔಟ್. So you have to fill the first blank with the answer out. Come out of the shower. Be careful to dry thoroughly the areas dash your toes. So where the areas? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ fill the answer with fill the second blank with between your toes. Before you put dash your socks or shoes. So what you put? So here is it is also a phrasal verb. Put on. So put on ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಧರಿಸುವಂತಾಗಿ. Put on your socks or shoes. Otherwise, fungi might grow on your feet and dash itchy blisters to appear. So what the fungi will do then? So by going through the answer in the brackets, we can fill here cause itchy blisters to appear. This is dash fungi grow best in this is which fungi? So uh, this is because. So we can put here answer because this is because fungi grow best in warm dash and moist surroundings. So here are two surroundings. One is warm surrounding and the one is moist surrounding. By using conjunction and here, you can put the answer here and. So conjunction and uh, then then fill the answer and warm and moist surroundings. So this disease is known as athlete's foot. So for athlete's foot, dash in often affects people. So what will be the seventh answer here? So this is known as athlete's foot because it often affects people. Dash exercise regularly and do not. So exercise regularly. People and question arise who anta. So hence we can put in the eighth blank answer who. And in the ninth blank, so that is exercise regularly and do not dash care of their personal hygiene. So will it take care anta ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Obviously, the ninth blank, in the ninth blank, we should put the answer take care of their personal hygiene. The fungi dash can to their soles of your dash if you are not careful. So what will be the 10th answer here? The 10th answer here may be definitely spread. So the fungi can spread. So ಅದು ಹರಡ್ತದೆ. So the fungi can spread to the soles of your 11th answer is fair. So they are telling between your toes. So here you can say soles of your feet. So 11th answer here is feet, not if you are not careful. They can even spread to the dash other of your body. So definitely here answer parts, other parts of your body, and it is remaining answer. So to the other parts of your body, if you scratch the blisters. So the answer here is the next time you come out of the shower, be careful to dry thoroughly the areas between your toes before you put on your socks or shoes. Otherwise, fungi may grow on your feet and cause itchy blisters to appear. This is because fungi grow best in warm and moist surroundings. This disease is known as athlete's foot because it often affects people who exercise regularly and do not take care of their personal hygiene. The fungi can spread to the soles of your feet if you are not careful. They can even spread to the other parts of your body if you scratch the blisters. With this discussion, I will end this session here.